Hello everybody! Today we're going to see the D arpeggio on tenor saxophone, D7 arpeggio on tenor saxophone, D major 7 dominant chord. Really important chord. You play it in the A blues that we studied in the last video. So yes, let's go, I show you. Okay, so I'm Stefan and I teach lessons to my friend Ville to play blues saxophone in few weeks just with that channel. And if you are yet a player for another instrument or if you are a beginner, you can follow all my lessons on this channel and follow the week. So we're gonna learn we learn yet all the key, we learn how to blow, and for now we learn to make music. So the first thing is to check what is the note, the 4 note of this arpeggio. It's a D arpeggio, we begin with the D. It's up to you. D. In fact, we have 3 D. The low one, the medium one, play it, and the high one with that key. Okay, then the third of the chord is just 2 tones above. So 4 semitone. It's F sharp. F sharp. Okay, let's play it. The medium F sharp. Or the low F sharp. Or the very high F sharp. You remember that key with the 3 key here. That one, that one. Be careful. Okay, F sharp, the third. Then we go up to the 5th of the chord. It's just 3 semitone upper the third. It's a A. The high A. The low A. Okay? And then we go to the 7, the dominant 7. That is just 3 semitone upper the 5th or 1 tone under the tonic. It's a C. So the C, medium, the high C, and the low C. So let's resume the 4 notes that we need to play the D7 arpeggio, D, F, sharp, A and C. We play it together. Okay, on the upper octave. With the high note, we can play D and F sharp. Yes. So, but you know that playing like a modal thing is something really pleasant, but we're gonna get on music with my what I say method. You know, I put my metronome 50. It's just a 2 and 4, a 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4, a 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3. And with that, we're gonna play something together. I'm gonna play a first sentence and then you repeat after. boo, B, boo, boo, D, D, F sharp, D, F sharp, D, C, D, A, F sharp, Okay, so keep grooving, and you know, you play the D7 for B sax, B flat sax. So what note is it for the concert key? Remember? It's a C. C? So I will just play something in C, and now you play what you want on this arpeggio. A1, A2, A1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you can use the D7 as the fourth of A in the A blues. So we're gonna see in the next video the next arpeggio that you need to play the entire A blues. Okay, see you.